The first F-5A Freedom Fighter single-seat light fighter prototype flew in May 1963 and went on to form the basis of a major warplane family. This plane was a cheaper alternative for full-blown fighters and was exported to less wealthy U.S. allies. Canadair built the CF-5A/Ds and F-5A/Bs to the Canadian and Dutch Air Force respectively. Venezuela's VF-5A/Ds have received a limited upgrade by Singapore Technologies Aerospace. The U.S. Navy Fighter Weapons School, the so-called Top Gun School, at NAS Miramar, acquired a total of 10 F-5As and 3 F-5S for dissimilar air combat training. Because of F-5's characteristics, which were similar to the MiG-21, was used as aggressor aircraft, equipped the FWS and VF-126 at NAS Miramar, plus VF-43 at NAS Oceana. All three units later disposed of their Tiger IIs in favor of the General Dynamics F-16 Dane. These Tiger IIs were passed on to VF-95 at NAS Key West and VFA-127 at NAS Fallon. This transition to the F-5 adversary aircraft will provide active and reserve Navy pilots with air-to-air combat training at significant savings to the taxpayer. Recent estimates show that the F-5 can be operated at one-third of what it costs to operate and at A-18. The improved F-5E/F Tiger II was developed from the F-5A/B as an international fighter aircraft for sale to U.S. allies. The F-5E prototype first flew in August 1972 and was followed by some 1,300 production F-5As and 2 F-5S for sale to 20 air forces. The F-5E was also assembled under license in Taiwan and South Korea. Reconnaissance F-5E variants are operated by Malaysia, RF-5E Tejerai, Singapore, RF-5S, and Taiwan, RF-5E Tiger Gazer. Numerous update programs are available to keep this important warplane viable until well into the 21st century. These upgrades offer a mix of new avionics and structural refurbishment of the airframe. CHAL operates F-5Es upgraded with Israeli assistance to Tiger II standard. Their advanced avionics, including ELTA 2032 radar and hands-on stick and throttle controls, give a level of combat capability matching that of the F-16. The FIAR Grifo F/X plus multimode radar has been fitted to Singaporean F-5S aircraft and has also been selected for Brazil's F-5S. US-based TCA is offering to remanufacture projected demand for cost-effective lead-in fighter trainers.